When importing AAF files from Picture Editorial, you've likely encountered this: duplicate or near duplicate clips on parallel tracks, silent junk, leftover guide or mixed down material, and relinking headaches. The frustrating part is that duplicates are not always obvious. Some are true copies, some are stereo, some are ISO tracks, and sometimes the metadata you'd rely on just isn't there. CleanAAF is a pre-flight and automatic cleanup tool for project imports. It analyzes the AAF file, resolves the referenced media on your system, detects time-aligned duplicate or near-duplicate audio by reading the actual audio content, applies additional cleanup rules, and exports a cleaned AAF locally with no cloud processing. This removes the need for manual null checks across large sessions. CleanAAF is non-destructive to your source material. It never modifies your original AAF files or media. Each run produces a new output folder with a new project file and media, so you can compare, review, or roll back at any time. By default, CleanAAF can remove redundant clips from the timeline entirely, giving you a clean, simplified session right away. If you prefer to review first, you can switch to mute mode, which keeps the detected clips in place but inactive. That makes changes easy to verify and easy to reverse. First, the app tries to resolve the media references to actual audio files on your system, so the exported AAF files point to media that are reachable on this machine. Since Pro Tools relinking depends on SMPTE metadata, the app writes compliant identifiers when they're missing to improve import and relink reliability. The core feature? Time-aligned duplicate detection on the timeline. CleanAAF compares the audio content for clips that overlap in time and flags duplicates or near duplicates using a similarity threshold you can adjust. This is the key difference from approaches that infer duplicates from names or metadata. Metadata can be incomplete, rewritten, or missing during export. Content comparison still works when the audio is there. Optionally, it can detect silent or effectively empty clips using a silence threshold, and it can target leftover guide or mixdown material using configurable rules. For example, clip naming patterns and channel metadata. These are optional because every show's conventions are different. It's deterministic, rule-based, not AI. It's designed to make AAF imports easier to manage and safer to review. Network access is only used for licensing and updates when enabled. There's no iLock requirement. The trial allows 5 successful runs, and a single user license supports online or offline activation on up to 2 machines.